Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce another governance website, .sama governance website. So some time ago, I actually introduced one website before, and this is another website I would like to introduce because obviously several parachains, they are now interested in this website, including like Needentry and Centrifuge. So those two parachain projects, just very recently, I think yesterday or today, they made the announcement and the talk about the SubSquare. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And so the first one is called ProCarAssembly. So this is a website. We introduced that before, so you can open the website and you can see all kinds of things like discussion, proposals. Is going to need all of them. And this is one website. The other website is called SubSquare. So I can open that as well. So this is the SubSquare. You can see the main website, and it include the like who use SubSquare, and you can see a lot of parachains. Like Kana, Fana, Internet, Akana, Karura, Bifrost, Crab. So they all use the SubSquare already. So they already use that. That's not including the two new parachains, the Needentry and the Centrifuge. They are just about to adopt that. And so for the Needentry, they just released the governance 1.0 on the Needentry. Needentry is Needentry, their Kusama project. And so now they have the Onchain Governance. So this is the link. You can open that. So now you can use the Needentry SubSquare. So this is the Needentry SubSquare, and you can do the on-chain voting. So the on-chain voting is very powerful because you can directly change their runtime code. But of course, you also need the need in the Needentry wallet for the governance. They also have the off-chain or soft governance, which is under here. So it's OpenSquare. So you can see it here. It's off-chain one. So the off-chain is also useful. You need the need in the Ethereum wallet. I guess it's a MetaMask probably to participate. They have the details here. If you are interested, you can check that. Another one at the same time is Centrifuge. Centrifuge, their governance facilitator, Reno, he proposed the new one. So just very recently, I think it's today. So the new proposal is about integrate the SubSquare as their governance UI. I would like to go over this one a little bit because Reno do provide some very interesting like comments why he used that. So first of all, he described the purpose, and then he talk about the activity, the description of the activity. Actually, in one of their previous governance call, they do invite the SubSquare to give a presentation and also ProCarAssembly. So looks like Centrifuge, they do explore different options very well, and you can check the recording here. So I want to mention that because Reno, he actually talked to several other projects like Akana, Moonbeam, Hydra, Bifrost, and Killed. And then he got the feedback from them. All of them highlight the responsiveness of both teams behind the UIs. And their UI seems very similar, and actually they do. So if you check here and here, yeah, they do have very similar UIs. One important thing actually he mentioned is about the speed. So it looks like the SubSquare is a little bit faster than ProCarAssembly. I kind of agree with that. Actually, you may also see that, and like when you open that, it's going to wait, right? You need to make a connection. I don't know whether this one can be solved in the future or not, but definitely like we can support different kinds of projects or different kinds of website. And then now let's explore the SubSquare in more detail. So the SubSquare, this is their main website, and if you launch that, you should select the one that you want to open. Let's just go ahead and open the crab, and we'll show you. Crab is a one, like is a Kusama of Darwinia. So you can see it here, like you will see the referenda proposal, and also from the treasury. So you can see all of them. This is all about the crab. When you open the discussion, actually it's interesting. They don't have many here, actually. But some of them, like, oh, they even have a guide. So they have a guide to show you how to use the SubSquare for the crab network governance. So you should go through discussion and then vote. Okay, so you should log in. I already log in. And you can set up the email. It's optional, and you can create an on-chain proposal. So this is a place you can go to. It's actually JS Wallet. Go to JS Wallet and have a on-chain proposal. I don't know, maybe the SubSquare can integrate this part into their website, so I don't need to come to the JS Wallet. I can just make a proposal here, and then like you can create, and then you can vote. So let's explore whether we can do the discussion. So I'm going to create a new post and then do some discussion. So title would be let's say today I just in my previous video I just make one to explore the Paranet Finance introduce Moonbeam, right? The Moon River. So I would just say like can we integrate the crab into Paranet Hackles money market? So let's say we have this post, so you can write something. So you can say like recently Glimmer or Moon River has been introduced to Paranet Finance's money market, and since Darwinia or crab has some collaborations proposed to introduce crab as well. Okay, so this is just a question, right? And you can create a poll. The poll would be like introduce crab into Paranet Finance. Okay, Hackle money market. Yes or no. Okay, and then like we can create this one. Okay, it's actually fast. You see, like, okay, I can vote. Yeah, I can vote for myself. Okay, so I will just vote, and then we can see that. Okay, so this is a new proposal. I just make it. It's kind of the speed is fast actually, right? And I just show you you can all join and have some discussion. You can vote, and then we can make an official proposal. But this is overall like the introduction of SubSquare, and also about the Centrifuge and the Needle Tree, their project. They want to use that for the governance. So I hope this video will help you to better understand the SubSquare as a website for the governance, and also I hope this video will help more people to get involved into the governance. So again, this is a website education investment. I just share my personal experience for educational purpose only. Thanks for watching. Bye.